In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to post a bill or purchase invoice in Xero. Whether you're handling the finances for a large organization or just maintaining the accounts for your own small venture, mastering this process is essential. So, let's dive in and make this routine task a breeze. First, make sure you're logged into your Xero account. Once you're in, you'll be greeted by your Xero dashboard. This is your financial home base, offering a clear overview of your account's financial activities and providing immediate insight into your business's fiscal health. It's designed to keep you informed and ready to make strategic decisions for your business. Now, let's move forward by navigating to the Business tab, where you'll find a variety of options related to your transactions. The next step is to click on Bills to Pay. This section is specifically crafted for managing your outgoing payments. Here, with just a few clicks, you can keep track of all the bills your business is responsible for, ensuring that nothing slips through the cracks and your cash flow management remains smooth. Following this, you'll want to click on New Bill to begin entering the details of the bill or purchase invoice you wish to post. This step requires careful attention, as accurately entering all details is crucial for maintaining precise records. Start by entering the supplier or customer name exactly as it appears on the invoice you're processing. Doing so ensures that everything is linked correctly within your accounting system, keeping all your records organized and coherent. After you've input the customer name, it's important to set the date for the invoice. This step holds significant importance because it keeps your accounts current and in sync with your real-time business activities. Once that's done, go ahead and add the invoice number. Consider this as a unique identifier that will help you quickly locate this particular bill in the future if needed. If you have a digital or scanned copy of the invoice, take advantage of Xero's functionality by clicking on the file icon to upload it. This will help maintain accurate and detailed records within Xero, which you can easily refer to whenever needed. Additionally, if you're using Xero's inventory features, you may want to consider auto-adding items from your inventory. This step can streamline your process, especially for repeat transactions or stock items. Lastly, include a description of the invoice or bill. A simple yet powerful step, this provides context that helps others in your team understand what the transaction pertains to. Once you've verified the information and are confident it's accurate, you'll want to finalize your work by clicking on Approve. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll be able to post bills or purchase invoices in Xero with ease. This process not only helps you stay organized, but it also ensures an accurate reflection of your business finances. Thank you for watching, and have a great day managing your accounts with Xero.